Hi friends, welcome to my channel. A golden opportunity for Abra lovers. RTA operates free boat services from Souk Al Marfa to Old Deira Souk. This service will be free until July 15. Duration of this boat service is 30 minutes to one direction. This is giving an opportunity to enjoy infinity bridge from different angle and the colors of Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is always a fascinating location for all visitors. Traveling in an Abra through Dubai Creek is definitely a different experience. And this is one of the cheapest tourist attractions in Dubai. Please go for a ride and enjoy. Rest time. You have to wait around 1 hour for return boat. So take a return ticket and use this time to visit Old Deira Spices and Gold Souk. That will be a different experience for your family. Souk Al Marfa Ramadan market is waiting for you on your return. Spend some time there too. I hope you have enjoyed my video. See you in next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.